Hi, Sophia. Okay, so today we are going to talk about another symbiotic relationship between animals. So we talked about predators and prey. So somebody tell me what a predator is.
Tigers?
Tiger is a predator, yes, a type of animal. A tiger is a predator. And what is the tiger's prey?
The Africa.
Okay, they live in jungles, yeah, but what the prey is what the tiger does what?
Eat.
Very good, Molly. That's exactly right. So the tiger is the predator, and the prey is what the tiger eats. Good job, Molly. Yes, Elijah.
Curiosity?
Curiosity? Okay, sure.
Yes.
Does he eat curiosity? Just
Elsa does.
Okay, so a tiger is the. Sorry, my eyelash are hitting my glasses. So the predator is the tiger, and the prey is what the tiger eats. So the water buffalo.
Eat.
Or my kid is convinced that tigers eat monkeys. I don't know if that's true, but that's all Jude would talk about all weekend. And so predator prey. So that's one of the relationships that we have talked about.
Deals.
Yeah, we've talked about all these things. Hold on, we're going to the next symbiotic relationship. So the next symbiotic relationship we talked about was mutualism. And mutualism is when two organisms work together as a
Team.
Woohoo! Yes, they work together as a team and they both benefit from the relationship. So the crocodile
Shark teeth.
gets his teeth cleaned by the bird, remember? So the bird gets a meal by eating the nastiness out of the crocodile's teeth, but the crocodile gets a teeth cleaning. So both of the organisms benefit, or it's good for both of the organisms, and they also so they work together as a team. So mutualism, they're very good, Elijah. So in mutualism, both organisms work together as a
Go team.
Go team. Very, very good.
Go
That's right.
team.
Okay, so then we had commensalism. So commensalism,
Milk.
yes. So commensalism was where one of the organisms is helped and the other organism is not harmed nor helped. So one of them is benefited and the other one is a word called unaffected. Unaffected, so nothing happens to that organism. So in this example, the cow walks around in the fields and drudges up all of the bugs, and then who comes by and eats them?
What are you saying?
The bird, right? The egret. The egret comes by and eats all the bugs that the cattle stirs up when it's walking in the fields.
Lucky at the fields.
Yes, very good. So the cow is helping the bird, but the bird is not doing anything for the cow. So the bird is not hurting the cow nor helping the cow. So the cow is helping the bird, but the bird is not hurting or helping the cow. That is commensalism.
That's butterscotch.
Say that again.
That's butterscotch. Let's go.
I'm just going to ignore that. Okay. So we talked about trees. Trees offer shade to the plants below them. The trees help the plants below them because they need shade to grow better. Elijah Davis. The plants need shade so they can grow better, but the tree is not helped nor hurt by the plants below it. So it's commensalism.
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 You put water in it.
Yes, you have to water your plants. That's right. So it's commensalism.
Yeah,
So the
please.
plants below are neither hurt, the tree is neither hurt nor helped, but the plants below it are getting shade to help them grow. So they're being helped. So the tree is what, Richard. So the tree is the unaffected organism, and the plants below it are being helped.
Caterpillars.
So we also talked about the barnacles. So the barnacles attach themselves to the whale, and the whale moves to different places in the ocean. So the barnacles get different nutrients. Now the barnacles are being helped by the way the whale moves, but the whale is not being helped nor hurt by the barnacles.
Cool.
Cool, that's right. So the whale is not being hurt or helped. The whale's just whatever, but the barnacles are being helped. So it's commensalism. One organism is being helped, the other organism is not being hurt nor helped. So it's being unaffected.
Unaffected.
Woo! Very good.
Look at the disgusting.
Yeah, they do look pretty disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna
You
go ahead
can,
and
he
agree with
can
that.
eat him.
All right, so now
Oh no.
the last.
It's
Elijah.
still egg.
So now the last type of symbiotic relationship is parasitism.
Parasitism.
Yeah, so you probably have heard it just as a parasite. That's usually what people
Parasite.
call as parasite. Very good, a parasite. So a parasite is where one organism takes advantage of another organism. So one organism hurts another organism. Okay?
Herbivore.
Yum.
So some species of birds will lay their eggs in the nests of other birds. Then their babies are taken care of by foster parents. So a bird will come by, lay eggs in an already made nest, and then the other birds will take care of it. That's not really the best example that I
They
want
can
to
eat
bring up.
worms.
Okay, here we go. So weeds are considered a parasite. So the weeds will usually go in areas where we don't want them. They take away the valuable resources from the other plants. So your weeds grow in your flower garden, right? Those
paradise.
weeds are taking the nutrients and the water from the other pretty flowers around it. So those weeds are considered a parasite. They're taking
paradise.
away the stuff that the other pretty flowers need to grow. Yucky old weeds.
A paradise.
Yes, a parasite.
Paradise.
So fleas. Has your dog ever had fleas before, Elijah?
Yeah.
My dog, unfortunately, has had fleas when we very first got her. She's not had fleas since, but she had really bad fleas when we very first got her.
Icy dog.
My other dog, Sophie, unfortunately got fleas. It was like every season she would get them right at the turn of the season. It was terrible. Anyways, so fleas. The fleas do what to dogs? Do you know what fleas do to dogs or humans? Bless you, Molly. You all right?
Yeah.
All right. So what do fleas do to dogs? They
Eat.
no, they bite. They bite them.
Fire.
They bite them and they get nutrients and they get blood from the dogs. So it helps the flea to live, but then the dogs do what?
Scratch.
Scratches them, right? So the fleas are actually hurting the dogs. The fleas are being helped because they have a home and they bite the dog, but it makes the dog uncomfortable. So the flea is a parasite on the dog. The flea is being helped, the dog is being hurt. That is the point of parasite. The parasite is being helped, its host or what it's living on is being hurt. So one is being helped, the other is being hurt. Elijah Davis.
It's me.
So for a tick, so you might know what a tick is?
Attack
A tick.
A tiger.
insect.
A tick is an insect. Very good. And a tick will bite and it will suck the blood out of an animal or a human. And it will hurt you. You have to get rid of ticks. You can't have ticks on you. They're bad. So the tick is a parasite. The tick is helped by the blood that it sucks out of your body or out of the animal's body. And you are hurt by that tick, or the animal is hurt by the tick. A mosquito, same thing. Mosquito is a parasite. It bites a person to get blood, but then it hurts you when it bites you, or it hurts another animal when it bites it. So it is considered a parasite. And one organism is helped, another organism is hurt. That is parasite, or parasitism.
A firebird?
What?
A firebird?
Firebird? I don't know what that means. Okay, so one is helped and the other is hurt. That is a parasite. So we have predator prey. We have mutualism. Mutualism is working together as a
Good team.
team.
Good
Very
team.
good.
team.
Commensalism is what? Can anybody tell me? Where one organism is helped and the other organism is
Everybody.
unaffected, right, Molly? I heard you. You're trying. That's right.
Unaffected.
Unaffected, right? And then parasitism, I don't know exactly how to say it, is where one organism is helped, the other organism is what?
Spit.
It's not spit, it's
Hurt.
hurt. Yes, very good. So
Herbivore.
parasitism is when one is helped, the other one is
Good team.
hurt. So mutualism
Hurt.
is go what?
Hurt.
Mutualism is go what? Go team, right? Commensalism is where one is helped and one is Unaffected.
Unaffected.
Parasite is where one is helped and the other is what?
Spit.
Hurt. Very good. Not spit. Hurt. All right, so those are our symbiotic relationships. So the rest of this week, we will read articles about these symbiotic relationships, and we will answer questions about those articles. All right, we'll see you later, Miss Sophia.
On the